Welcome back, and we are going to explode this our assembly today, and I'll show you how that's done. And we're going to get in here and get started. And the first thing I want to do is, I'm in English because this is standard inch. It's going to be an IPN. This is going to be what you use to explode the assembly for the drawing, to put on your drawing. So I just double click. And when I get in here, it's looking for something to insert, and this is my drawing. I want to get that assembly in there, and it looks just like that, okay? Alright, so here we go, and we've got our assembly in, and I want to get about an isometric look, and I just hit my corner right there. And I want to take, and I want to bring this up. Now you're going to take it apart just the way that you would disassemble it, or the way you'd assemble it. So what I would do first is I click on this, and I come up here to tweak components, and I come down here and basically just grab the direction and pull it. You can put a definite number in it. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Check mark when you get it right. The next one is, I'd have to take my bolts out before I can take this out, so I click on both of those and highlight them. I hit Control, because if you get one, you go to the other one, it'll take the other one off. So just hit Control and it'll be able to grab multiple. Tweak component, grab that, and I'll bring it up. Now when I get over here, check this out. I don't want to do that. I'm going to hit, we'll check mark it right there, or escape to get out of it. Now click it again, this one, and I want to tweak component, and I want to pull this one kind of over that way. And then I'll check mark. I'll do this one the same way. I'm just going to kind of pull it over this way like that. And the next one is this. I want to tweak and pull it up just a little ways. And I'll just pull it just enough to where you can see it. And I'll pull that up just to fuzz more. That looks pretty good. And we could always take and twist it just a little bit more, so we can get a better look of it. Alright, so we're just going here and hit your save button. And I want to save this where I have everything else at. That's my IPN Assembly 1 save. And I want to show you something else you can do while you're in here. Now you can put this, now this is ready to put on your drawing, and you can also, you can do a video. And it'll actually show how this thing works. I want to put this, I'll call this the assembly example. And I'll do a OK on that. And it's going to make a video of how this thing actually is assembled, which is really cool. Now, if I want to go take a look at that, it was in my documents. And assembly example. And now, right there's your video of actually showing you how this thing works. That's pretty cool. And you got that video. Then you also got your drawing done. And whenever you go new and you got your IDW, when you bring this part in, with whatever size sheet of paper. This is a large sheet. This is D size paper. Let's bring it into a base. Right there it is. We'll bring it in as 1:1 scale. We can bring that in. And we could actually make that a little bit larger if we wanted to. 2:1 too big? Yeah, just a little bit too big. So we'll just go back to 1:1 on that. It's just a large paper. And when you get it in here, you go to annotate and you can go to parts list. And when you get in here, select view, which is this, and OK on that. And you can bring your list over here and drop it. And this has all the parts on it. Item 1, base plate, quantity 1. And you see down here you got screw, you got 2 screws. You can put the descriptions in there. And then you come in here with your balloons. And you can actually balloon those and it'll match the item number over here, which is really nice. I don't need that one there. And just like that, you can have everything labeled, 4 parts. They're all labeled over here. And if you want to come in here and edit your parts list, just right click and go edit parts list. And you can come in here and you can add descriptions into it. You can edit your tables. And you do a column chooser, and let's say there's something else that you want to add over here, you can. Maybe you want to get rid of description, you can remove it. You can also put anything else you want. You can put material on there, you could add that in. Okay, apply, and close. And if you'll notice, whenever I was doing this, I just threw some different colors in there so that whenever we did the explode, that'd be easy to see. I had titanium, gold, stainless steel, and whenever I put that in as my property, it automatically populates inside of my materials list, which is really cool. And you can take and move these however you see fit. Then you got a parts list, you got your exploded view, shows how all this stuff goes together. It's a really cool program. If you need any help, let me know.